Have you ever wondered how your favourite movie characters were made or designed? Well, today we're going to be diving behind the scenes with Weta Workshop, who have designed and created some of the most famous movie characters. And it's here we're going to find out how the characters were really brought to life. Good morning! From another day in Wellington. Now, if you would have seen last week's video, we were supposed to be going to the Weta Workshop, where they've created all the characters for Lord of the Rings, District 9, the Hobbiton, all those famous movies, but the tours were booked. So guess what we're doing today? We are going to the Weta Workshop. We need to catch a bus and we're running a little bit late, so on that note, let's go! Thank you. And we just hopped off the bus. Now you probably saw me wearing a mask. Now we only need to wear masks here in New Zealand when we're on public transport. But whoa! It is windy over here. That was actually quite a nice wee ride through town. But now we're going to make our way over to the Weta Workshop, which I think is about a 5-minute walk from here. Welcome to the Weta Cave. Now this place looks awesome just from the outside. Check out this huge troll behind me and you can see the detail already that's gone into this. I am so excited to go on this tour. So this tour cost us $25 each and it goes for around about an hour, but let's get on this tour now. So going inside the workshop, first they start by telling us about the hundreds of films they have worked on. And yes, I mean hundreds. From then they tell us about the characters, where they start with a normal head mould and use clay to create the effect or the look they want, whether it be a monster, alien or futuristic character. They then create a mould and fill it with foam, which turns into a silicone or rubber template. Then they can paint or create the character that they are looking for. They also use tinfoil to make smaller versions of what they might want to create for their project. What's extremely cool is the way they make other things for movies, not just the characters, including swords for the new Mulan movie, guns and cars. Depending on the movie's budget, Weta Workshop has to be creative. So if you look at the guns they created for the movie District 9, if you look closely at this gun, it's actually pretty much entirely made out of a vacuum cleaner. Yes, a vacuum cleaner. Walking through the studio was like being in a childhood dream of creativity and talent. So, Gollum just whispered in my ear and he said if you aren't subscribed or you haven't hit the like button, make sure you do. Hey Gollum.
Yes, my precious.
Alrighty guys, so we have just come out of the Weta Workshop and I'm just here with my bud Mr. Troll. Isn't he so cool? Now I highly recommend the Weta Workshop. It was amazing. We got to see how they make the costumes, all the 3D printing. We got to touch the prototypes. I got to see Bilbo Baggins' feet from The Hobbit. Because we've actually been to the Hobbiton, now seeing how the costumes were created and how they were painted, it was just phenomenal, and I highly recommend going on this tour. Okay, so we are here at a place called Scopa, and now we've come here because of one thing, and that is the Scopa hot chocolates. Now apparently these are famous. The guy was just telling us that people come all over the country and actually the world to taste these hot chocolates. So it looks kind of like thick, gooey, like. It smells amazing, so I'm literally just gonna give it a taste test. Oh my god, it just coats your whole entire mouth. That's like drinking pure chocolate. I wish I got a large one now. I'm gonna have some of yours, Anna. That's delicious.
Oh my god, it's so amazing. It's literally like melted chocolate. It doesn't look like a hot chocolate itself. I am a very big fan of hot chocolates and that one is definitely on my top list. Oh my god. And for this hot chocolate, we brought a very important person to the vlog. Middle friend Dee.
Hello, I'm Dee.
That's the benefit of having a local with us. So Dee has lived in Wellington for a long time and she's the one giving all those tips, you know. So well done, Dee. Good one.
Thanks, Dee. Most welcome. Thanks, Dee. Okay, so I have got my waffle here and these look absolutely amazing. I got like a dark berry forest one. It's got cream and everything, just the way she was making it. Again, that thing of Wellington having these little tiny kiosks, like she literally had like a 2x2 square, probably not even 2 meters, and she made these most amazing waffles and I just need to dig in. After that hot chocolate, that is so sweet, absolutely amazing. And the waffle itself is like so light and fluffy. We're here at the Wellington Harbour with an absolutely beautiful view and hopefully we're going to see a really nice sunset.
So what an amazing day we had just today. It was so cool. We did so many cool things.
We ate a lot. I'm definitely like super full, but that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and as always we'll see you again next week for more of Wellington.
Bye.